Hi guys, very welcome to this new Engel Völkers video property tour. My name is Julie and I like to guide you through this modern contemporary family home with stunning sea views from all levels. Let's enjoy! Let's enter this beautiful modern home and you will be impressed already of the large, big entrance door with this natural wood. And come in with me and see now the double high ceiling here and a beautiful little gallery over there. Have a look and feel free to enjoy this large open living concept. I mean, this impressive kitchen combines the dining area over there and the large sitting area on another side. In general, the friends and family come here together and can enjoy the whole lifestyle of Marbella. Let's speak about the distribution of the house. We have in total 5 bedrooms, 1 separate office space. One of the bedrooms you can use as an independent apartment because it has a separate access, and from all floors you can enjoy a beautiful view towards the Mediterranean Sea. The villa is located on 1,000 square meters of garden, so beautiful and private, 630 square meters per living space, and apart from that, the house has a complete package of the modern technology like the Motica control, the underfloor heating throughout, and everywhere you have a sauna system installed. Here on the most spectacular point of the whole house, the solarium. It is offering you a 360-degree view towards the mountainside of Marbella and the Mediterranean Sea. From this point, you can enjoy the whole luxury lifestyle of Marbella. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoy the property tour with us. For more information, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. Stay a little longer and see the property by night. Enjoy. Thank you.